All right, guys, here we are in Manhattan Beach. This is a double action sliding gate. Basically, the two gates are synchronized. They come together by way of communicating. We have two motors here, one to the left, one to the right, and they close up and they meet in the middle. This was done due to space restrictions. Obviously, we have a larger opening here than the left side and the right side, so we kind of split the difference. Instead of having a double swing gate, we did two sliding gates. We have a pedestrian gate here. And in addition to this job, this has multiple locations here. We have a fire escape railing and a staircase here, which is also complete. Everything looks really nice. And there's another gate here, which is the 45-degree design with an Aluma-Lock. We will be coming back with some minor finishes. There's other projects going on here, so we'll be back soon.